Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And today we're going to play obby. Like every time you go faster. No, it's basically every second your car speed increases and in the car. And you can use these to play these. Okay, we got a spin here. We got 100 speed. Let me see. Change speed, max speed, 335. Oh shoot! Yeah. Hold on, huh? Hold on. Yo, I did not see that. Alrighty. Alright. The ball. Focus on the ball. Focus on the. Oh, nope. No comprehende. Close. And come on. I gotta lock in. And oh no! Why was my joystick? Ugh. Anyways, max. It's still going on max speed. 500 speed award. Alright. I did not see that. What? What is... No jump. Ugh. This is already slow. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's do this one. Anyway. Spending 100 Robux on that thing. 3, 2, 1. I was almost there. I was like, do you want to join the race? Whoa! I did not see that. Alright. Let's continue going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! I'm second. No, I'm third. Okay. 100 speed. Ooh, come on. on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1,000. I'm still the third. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What? Oh, the race happened. Boom, boom. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. Why? 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 I really don't like this. I need the egg. I need the egg. Hold, hold, hold. Come on, look at the dog. I quit. Oh, I'm so slow now. Yo, alright. So basically, doing this equals rebirth. Might as well just, yes, that is the current speed and win. Oh, whoa, 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 that was really close. No, I was almost there. I was almost there already. My dog. Let's just wait, I guess. You want to join the race? Come on, just reach the blue zone. Yo, I reached the blue zone. Alright. I'm doing that later. Actually, I'm doing that now. Yes. 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 Then hope I got one. What? Oh, two. Two is fine. Let's go. Ow! Let's go claim an egg. The race has ended. Ugh. Touch. A bow. Ah! A quick best. Alright. 4 per second. I didn't notice that. Let's see. Daily group rewards. What do we get? Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm insanely fast now. Yes. 5. Which one is 4? Alright, let's press this one. And a wolf. Where? Oh, this. Whoa! I didn't realize. Touch. Dog. Quit best. How did you get? 6 per second? Whoa! I'm getting my kill. Boom. No! Nice. That's a DD. I reached the blue zone. Alright. All I need to do is to join a race. And that's probably it. And I would not like to go. Premium players get. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this dude. I'm passing him. Alright. They said respawn. 3, 2, 1. This is without jumping. Without jumping, everything would change. With jumping, I will reach even faster limits. You want to join the race? Yes! 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 Alright, we join the race. 3, 2, 1, go! Mia wins, as Potato also wins. Come on! Alrighty. Day 6, day 5. I'm going to win a race, by the way. And I'm already trying to win. So, come on. And, yes. We got the second place. I finished the race. I have got the second place. Okay guys, if you want to see another video like this, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.